After chugging down my lethal dose of caffeine for the day, I decided I wanted to make a Japanese Quaking knife, basically a small tondo, with a modern day twist. Oh, and did I mention I'm going to be making this in one day? This is what happens when you run your body off of coffee and Monster Energy at the same exact time. You get cracked blades. So what happened was, because I normally do my heat treating and tempering at night whenever I can see the colors of the steel, I did this one right around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so I couldn't see the exact color of the steel due to the glaring sun. So I went ahead and made another blade. I put clay on it. Now I'm waiting for it to dry. I have about an hour and a half left on it. After I quench it, I have to temper it, which will take about an hour, which means I am running out of time. thought that plate of aluminum would be thick enough to stop the knife from going all the way through it and hitting the hard top of the anvil, which resulted in me breaking a tiny little chip off the tip. The tip was pretty thin right there, which I'm not really surprised. I was expecting that to happen whenever I was jamming it into the wood. Anyway, that is what I can make in less than a day. I sell these all the time for $150 each, W2 steel with a handle wrap, Japanese style. At least that's how much I've been selling them for, so if you'd like something similar to this, it doesn't have to be a Tonto, it could be a regular hunting knife, go ahead and shoot me an email and we can discuss your shape, size, and price preferences. Also, go check out this YouTube channel, I Drew Productions. He makes a lot of different unique videos. He does blacksmithing, woodworking. I'm pretty sure he does a little bit of leather work. I'm not sure. He also does stuff like animations on the computer. So go check him out. He is an awesome guy, awesome content creator. Help him grow big. Hit that subscribe button on both mine and his channels, or I'm going to cut your toes off in your sleep.